These trucks are beasts. Ellie McNeil's is leaving. There's an LR. I love those long LR Atlantics. Oh man, the tag and the pusher. It's just so pretty. I'm waiting for a Whitkey. This is probably one of WM's. This has got to be their biggest rural diesel fleet. It appears that all the LEUs are going left and all the LEs are going right. And I'm sure you guys can't see a single thing. But yeah, I'll probably give myself about 4 hours with this yard. But I'm not planning on filming anything other than the, no, that's not, what am I trying to say? I would like to get one of every type of truck on film, but I'll naturally, the Whitkeys are my first priority, some MRs too would be awesome, and then I want to get some, one of the new LRs, because those look so nice, and then, like, LEU and LE would be last priority, I suppose. There's another LE, my window isn't down. This one seems to have some type of a weird logo. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that logo. This is a roll-off. Oh, it seems to be all roll-off for now. I see them all over there. I just heard them doing the air brake test. It was almost like a symphony. I should have filmed that, but I didn't get my phone out in time. But I'm pretty sure the whole crew will be coming this way pretty soon. Yesterday I saw one Whitkey with no bucket that appeared to be powdered out. That was a shorter one. One long Whitkey that appeared to have a carry can in the line of normal runners. And then just as I was pulling out of the yard at like 8:20, 8:30, another leased badge shorter Whitkey came barreling in. So that made me pretty happy. So it was running yesterday. Ran a really long day. But there's 3 possible ones. And I'm just going to sit here and wait till everything's obvious out of the yard. It's not like I'm going to follow an LEU and MR before the Whitkey leaves or whatever. Okay. Here we go. That is an LR. Those trucks are just beasts. Like, why do our LI McNeil's have to be shorter, no tag axle contenders? Like, blech. Beast, man. For a new truck. This could be a Whitkey. No, I'm going crazy. I'm seeing what I want to see again. Oh, you can see them all just, oh. I guess they're getting like inspected or something. I don't know why they're just like parking over there for a little while before they come this way. ELLAR. A couple of these are Corrados, most of them are carries, which is kind of cool to see a brand new carry can, let alone brand new diesels. Diesel. I kind of get the idea behind the launch, but I feel like it kind of wastes time to have so many drivers start at the same time and then like slowly each trickle out. Okay, that's really cool. Look at that logo on that. Can you even see it? It's very tiny. Would not mind filming that. Yeah, that's like a cart sticker size. No, it's probably dumpster sticker size logo. Okay, there's another LE. You can tell by the sound. Cough next to Dillo. That's a McNeil, I see him. Big next door deal. Metro Austin first. I'll just go drop him a sub. Not like he needs it. He already have like 100,000. Okay, better set up this time. Here comes the next round. Oh, there's that beautifully repainted one. The Lee Uber repainted. That one was out earlier and came back when I was supposed to get in here. Not really sure why. But I would not mind filming that. I don't think it's acid advanced. I think it's just a repainted WM truck. Okay, here's now it's their standard long Atlantic. And another one. I'd say about half the fleet is that. And then, well, as far as Resi goes, I would say half the fleet is these LR Atlantic. And then a quarter is LE Atlantics, and then a quarter is just random stuff. Is that a Whitkey? No, that's in the back. Some of those sound like beasts. There's an LEU Atlantic. It just blows my mind that this Royal Michigan WM yard has 50, 55, 60 Resi trucks leaving every day. They really still have a monopoly. GFL hasn't come in here, not Mterra, not Priority. They're still doing good biz out here. I hope I can find one that isn't just an LR. So many of them are. It seems like a lot of them are garages, but I know for sure some of them are carriers. I bet some of these LEs could easily be some of the ones that Harrison filmed way back when. Good old Harrison. I wonder if the rear loaders are gonna leave. The rear loaders are near the Whitkeys, so that makes me wonder if none of them are leaving, or they're just leaving like. Well, we know they leave in order, so I guess that's not much to worry about. Yeah, they're in life. Yeah, it just keeps going like LR, LR, LE, LR, random LR. Okay, here's a rear loader. 520 tag, so that looks pretty good. I assume that one's X advanced. Oh boy, there's an MR. I can't say I filmed an MR tag axle before. Wish I knew where it was going. Oh, that thing sounds so good. Whenever I find a truck, I think I'm gonna try to ask about that truck. You're like, hey yo, where's this thing running? Amigo, pal, friend. This is a fat tailgate. Is the Whitkey though? I think it is. There's another MR. My windows are closed this time, so that's not ideal.